Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So you see this huge box on my front? Well, it's my brand new chair. You guys know, right? Recently I've been busy with shifting my office and studio to a new place, and guess what? Everything is going smoothly, and in the meanwhile this brand known as Cellbell, guys, they've been watching my videos and saw that I've been setting up a new studio at a new place, and they reached out to me and said that, hey Vimal, we make a lot of chairs, office chairs specially, and we want to give you a special chair just for your new office. And I was like, wow, that is so cool, right? Sure, I would love to check out your chair. And well, here it is, our brand new office chair. So my new office chair from Cellbell came in this sort of packaging. We've got the Cellbell branding at the top, says computer chair on the front, and also has a picture of the product. See guys, I was actually quite interested in making this video because a lot of people have asked me in the comment section to review an affordable and budget category chair for their setup. The thing is, till now I've reviewed only gaming chairs of 15,000 rupees and above on my channel, and this is my first office chair that comes at an affordable price of only around 7 to 8,000 rupees. So today we'll be talking about the quality, the material used, how's the comfort level, and all that in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end. By the way, the model of the chair they sent me is called as a C52, and here it is. This is how the chair comes in the box. Just like all the other chairs, even this one comes as parts, and you need to assemble it at your home. Let me quickly take them out one by one and show you. So this is the wheelbase of the chair. It's a 5-legged chrome wheelbase that comes already fitted with all the wheels on it. And here's the actual chair, guys, the seat on top of which you will be sitting. It's a good thing that unlike the other gaming chairs, there's nothing complicated you need to assemble over here. Most of the chair is already assembled and this thing is ready to use out of the box. Let me remove this outer packaging and show you the chair. There you go, this is how our new office chair from Cellbell looks like. It's called the black and tan color variant, looks somewhat like light brown creamish color accents on a black leather chair. And along with the chair you get a packet of accessories which includes an envelope with all the warranty details and manuals, make sure to read that, a class 4 hydraulic gas lift for height adjustment of the chair, and an extendable gas lift cover. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's get started with the assembling. Assembling this chair is the most easiest part I've ever done till now. It's only a 3-step process. First, place the gas lift on the wheelbase, put the car on top of it, and the last step you need to do is fix this chair on top of the gas lift. There's a hole on the bottom side of the chair in the butterfly rocking mechanism. You need to check that and align properly with the gas lift, just like this. And there you go, we're completely done with the assembling. That was super easy, right? You can do it in less than 1 minute. So now let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The Cellbell C52 is an office chair made specially for computer use and looks quite attractive from our first impression. Especially considering the price, the stitching quality and the leather finishing is pretty good. It's got an ergonomic design and is specially made for comfort. The internal skeletal frame of the chair is entirely made of wood, has a thick 4-inch padded cushioning for maximum comfort, and is covered in a decent quality synthetic leather material. The chair comes in a two-tone finish with mostly black and light brown accents that sorta looks like cream color. Talking about the cushioning, it definitely feels soft and spongy and there's good amount of detail given to the finishing. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the payload capacity, right? It supports a max weight of up to 110 kgs. And coming to the bottom part, as I've told you before, it's got a 5-legged chrome wheelbase which is made of metal and has 5 smooth rolling 50mm nylon caster wheels. So here is our new office chair from Cellbell, guys. So Cellbell makes a lot of different office chairs in different models as well as colors. The one they sent us is black and brown color finish, and this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good, right? I mean, the quality, the finishing looks decent for the price, and also the material used is also pretty good. It's made of synthetic leather, I think, the outer fabric material, and the stitching quality is also decent. So let me just quickly sit on the chair and talk about the comfort and different adjustments this chair offers. So let me just quickly get comfortable on the chair and tell you my experience. Okay, that feels nice. It's actually pretty decent. Not bad, guys. The chair is quite comfortable. The company says that it's got 4-inch thick cushioning. That means it offers you really good comfort, and also if you can observe, it's got double layer cushioning on the sides as well as over here. So that will give you great comfort, and it's pretty good for relaxing. And also the armrests have these cushioning at the top, so you can, whenever you place your hands on it, you'll feel pretty nice. Not bad. So talking about the adjustments, the height on this chair is adjustable. You've got a lever over here. So right now I think it's at the lowest height position. So let me just quickly lift the height. Oh, it can go really long. Oh my god. Oh, it's got really good height adjustable range. So this is the max height, and this is the lowest. Pretty nice, right? And one more thing I have to mention, guys, you have to see the height of this chair over here. It's coming around my neck, so you can comfortably place your neck. Pretty good. And that's not it, it also has butterfly rocking mechanism, which you can adjust using this, there's a knob over here which you can loosen up, so you can have a better rocking angle. Right now it's at the default rocking angle, which is set to very low. So this is what butterfly rocking mechanism does. Overall, not bad. It's pretty good, comfortable, and nice for the price. For all the people who are looking for a good chair with comfort as their priority, and that too at a budget price segment, you can surely check out this model from Cellbell. I've been using it for long hours of video editing as well as gaming, and the experience was quite nice. It was offering good comfort, and I faced no sort of issues. The only thing I felt the chair was missing is a fully adjustable backrest, just like as seen on other gaming chairs. You can't recline the backrest to have a quick nap on this chair. But apart from that, if comfort is your main priority, then this chair is a good choice for the price. It costs around 7,999 rupees, but for my subscribers, I have a special coupon in the description box below. So using that, you can get some extra discount for yourself. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.